Hello, everyone. Today we're listening to Dan Lok, How to Introduce Yourself and Others, it's called. I don't know why it's called and others and not to others. I assume he's going to talk about like other people, how they interact with you, and let's just watch it. Let's go ahead.
Yo, man, this is Dan Lok. How you doing, man? Give me a high five. Nice to meet you. No, that is not how you introduce yourself in a business setting. Maybe a high school buddy, that's okay, right? You never get a second chance to make a first impression. A good first impression. I am shocked because I've been to so many different business functions and networking events, and you see entrepreneurs and business owners or professionals, they meet people. Very often it's pretty awkward. They don't know how to introduce themselves. They don't know how to do the proper handshake. They walk up to people. Maybe not that extreme, but sometimes they're not so well equipped with
true.
exactly what you just say. So today I want to give you some tips. When you meet with someone, how do you make that good first impression? How do you introduce yourself? Or sometimes, how do you introduce others? Maybe you want to introduce this person to this person.
Let's watch it.
What's the proper way to do that in a kind of a
How do you do that?
more formal setting, okay? So when you meet someone like a stranger, someone that you just meet,
Yes.
you don't want to be overly excited. You don't want to be overly eager. Like, example, you meet someone, hey, nice to meet you. You shaking the hand like, oh yeah, very nice to meet you. You don't want to do that. You want to be nice and calm. You want to be a
Who does that
professional.
anyways?
If you're an introvert and you're meeting someone, take your time, right?
Come
Slow
on.
down. Just put your hand. Just, hey.
Okay.
And you can, let me give you a very simple way of introducing yourself. My name is, and you want to take your time. I notice a lot of people when they introduce the name, especially if your name, it's more difficult to pronounce. Or maybe like with your last name, it's not so common, right? Then take your time, enunciate it, slow down. So don't just rush it. Then people don't understand. They don't remember your name. So my name is, take your time. So my name is Dan Lok.
Yeah, well, what not to do during the COVID, right?
Lok. Dan Lok.
Shaking your hands.
From there, right? My name is, the hand like this, shake the hand,
No,
firm handshake,
don't do it.
just like that. Sometimes you might do something like this.
You want to
handshake,
avoid the
and
COVID.
then you put your hand over the shoulders like that. That's good too. My name is, so if you want to be a little bit more, right, just tiny little bit more intimate from here.
Yeah, well,
to
don't
here,
do it.
Right? You want to build that
Not
connection.
anymore.
It's a pleasure meeting you. So
Can you
my name
believe
is
that
Dan
this
Lok.
video is already outdated because of
Pleasure meeting you.
what's happening right
See
now?
that? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. When you're
incredible.
introducing others, sometimes what you want to do is, let me introduce you to my friend here, right? And you want to introduce them. It's almost you're presenting someone. What you don't want to do is this. Hey, he's my friend here. You see how, like, who is this person? You want to set this person up for success. Make that intro properly. It's almost you're presenting, hey, this is my friend, John here. From here, you're presenting like that, right? And from here. Like, very, very simple thing. But you notice...
Well,
most
this
people
guy
don't
is
do
not
it
a
well.
plate.
So when you're introducing yourself, now, sometimes you could say, it's a pleasure to meet you. Sometimes you could say, nice to meet you. Depends on the setting. But you got to practice it. You got to be practicing the timing of it. As simple as that, the first few seconds, that's how you make that first impression. And from there, you might say, transition that into a second question. So, hi, my name is Dan Lok. Very nice to meet you, right?
Okay.
What brought you to this event? From there, you can have a dialogue. You could get to understand more of what they do, how you can add value, what business are they in. Just go from there, right? And making eye contact, make sure when you're making eye contact, you don't, like, let me do it wrong. Oh, hi, yeah, my name is Dan Lok, and nice to meet you. See how I'm not making eye contact? You feel like you're hiding something. Look at them. Look them in the eyes, right? Hi, my name is Dan Lok. Very nice to meet you. See? So
Easy
what
to
brought
say,
you to this
Dan
event?
Lok.
Boom.
You have a great
Just
look
like
for
that.
it, you
So
know?
practice it. Test it out. Let me know if this works for you. Comment below.
Well, it doesn't work anymore because of the COVID situation, but yeah, I would say that, you know, Dan Lok is pretty accurate in the sense that if you act into a slow motion matter, I would say that it's preferable for sure. Nobody wants to feel rushed or anything like that, you know, especially in the cell process. You just want to make sure that you're in sync with the person. You don't go too slowly either. That's my only critic about this approach. For example, when he was saying, "Hi, my name is Dan Lok," like people are going to say like, okay, why is he speaking so slowly? You know what I mean? So you just want to keep up a good momentum, and from there, you just try to act a little faster than what he presented, and it would be fine. But faster, but also, you know, even sometimes it's preferable because a lot of people are kind of hyperactive and whatnot, and you want to get to their energy level. Otherwise, they'll just lose you. You know, during the conversation, they'll just think you're boring or whatever. So what you can do though is apply the same tone, same relaxed tone, but with more energy. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how you should do it. That was my feedback. Talk to you soon. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and really make sure that you comment on the, in the comment section below, and watch the description if you're interested into more of my services. I have like a bunch of services that I'm ready to offer you. Like right now, you would be surprised how fast I can answer all my emails. Thank you. Have a good one.